In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Salary Deduction Module. First, click on Payroll, Admin, and Salary Deduction. Here you will see a list of your previous salary deduction entries, and if you would like to add a new entry, you can click on Add New Item over here. After you do so, you'll be brought to the Deduction Master Add page, where you can fill in the information of your new salary deduction entry. Keep in mind that the yellow boxes are required fields, which means you must fill them in before you save your entry. So first, let's give our entry a name. Let's say late penalty. And after we've given the entry its name, we can decide if it should be considered for EPF, SOCSO, EIS, or PCB. If it is considered for any of these, you can tick their relevant checkboxes. If not, you can just leave them blank. And for status, we'll just put it as active for now. So after you're done, you can click on Save. And the system will display a success prompt. After you see this prompt, you can just click on Exit. Now, as you can see here, my entry has been entered into the system. So that's it for adding a new entry. Now, what if you want to edit an entry? All you have to do is just find them in this list and click on Edit. After you do so, you'll be brought to the Deduction Master Edit page where you can do your updating. So after you've made your changes, you can click on Save to save them. As you can see, the system has saved my changes. If you no longer use a certain entry in this list, you can find them and click on Delete to delete them. As you can see, after I clicked on Delete, the entry has disappeared from the list. Now, what if the deletion just now was accidental and I still need to use it? Well, no worries, you can recover it by going to the search bar up here and changing the status field from active to inactive and clicking on Search. Now, as you can see here, the entry I deleted just now will be here in the list. All I have to do to recover it is to click on Edit and change its status from inactive to active. After that, I'll click on Save. And as you can see here, the entry will be in the list once more. Moving on, if you would like to search for a particular entry in this list, you can use either the search bar down here or the search bar up here. The difference being that the search bar down here is more generic and searches for keywords in the list, while the search bar up here is more specific and will search for values in specific columns. Now, let's say I want to search for the keyword Y in this list. I'll type in Y in this search bar down here. And as you can see, the system will return to me all entries with Y in any of their columns. While this is useful for quick and generic searches, what if I want to be more specific? Let's say I only want to search for entries with Y in their deduction column only. Well, I can go up here to this search bar and type in Y. After that, I'll click on Search. As you can see, the system will only return to me entries with Y in their deduction column. Other than that, if you would like to filter the entries based on column values, you can also utilize the funnel icon over here. Let's say I select these three and click on OK. The system will filter out the entries according to my selection. Finally, you can also sort the entries by ascending or descending order based on column values by clicking on the respective column headers, like so. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.